July 27th, the upstairs unit just tried again like 4 times to start clicking on and then clicking back off after just 1 second. And then when it came on, it was super loud. If you hear it now in the video, it's quieted down some, but it's still louder than the other units. I'm concerned that this AC unit is got problems and may be getting more and more damaged and needs some attention. This one's running and it's nice and quiet. Actually, right now I think all 3 happen to be running. Yeah. But the upstairs unit is really sounding bad. Afraid it's gonna fail prematurely.